Vítejte na mém YouTube kanálu, welcome on my YouTube channel. So dear friends, just arrived this legendary loudspeakers Telefunken HiFi Klangbox L250. I never had here this type before. I had here more times the Telefunkens RB70 and other types, and the 70 are really not bad boxes. And for me it was very interesting to buy or to put here this L250. They were produced in the year 1968 for the system, HiFi system Acusta. So 1968, 78, 88, 98, 2008, 2018. So 50 years old boxes. And the sound not bad. So at first let's hear them and then let's see what's inside. Because I never had this type here before, never opened this type, so also for me it's very interesting to see what's inside. Yes, there are some photos on internet, but let's open them. But at first let's hear them. Only very short. It will be the yellow album Touch song Friday Smile, and regarding the copyright on the music I can let it to play 10-15 seconds.
The exact right speed into the light.
Left channel.
Way you're smiling.
Right channel.
Your smile so bright.
Stereo.
On Friday night.
So I hope that you can hear it also on your computer or smartphone. The sound is really not bad. But what's inside? We can see that here's bass speaker and two wide range speakers as tweeters. So three speakers, but I think that it's like a two-way box. Maybe. Well, we'll see. So this is the last screw. It's a back plate. So what's inside? Maybe I can put the camera closer. So camera is closer, I hope you will see it better. So this is glass wool. So incredible nice. We can see that the wide range speakers, tweeters, are in other direction. One this direction, the second this direction. Incredible nice. I will try to record it with camera closer. So as you can see, it's very interesting inside. Alnico speakers and crossover and the tweeters in opposite direction. Very nice. So I will make now detailed photos and close the back plate. So see the detailed photos at the end of this video, and I thank you for your attention. I hope that you like these boxes as I do, because it's incredible nice. So once more, thank you. But I think that I can open also the tweeters. The cars, if it will be not difficult. Nice. So I put once more the camera closer. So I will now close the box and make next detailed photos. And if you like this video, you can give like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you.